For $100 billion, you can buy almost anything. But right now, the world's biggest airlines are spending that money on a single choice. Do we bet on size, or do we bet on smart? We are witnessing the end of aviation's golden rule. The age of the four-engine Airbus A350 is over. The new battle for the skies is fought between two giants, the powerful, metallic Boeing 777X and the sleek, composite Airbus A350. This is a geopolitical, engineering, and financial war, and the stakes are astounding. The choice being made right now is not about capacity. It's about range, efficiency, and flexibility. Why are airlines suddenly choosing to fly two engines across the Pacific when they could have four, and why are they paying a premium for smaller planes? Boeing's answer is a final, colossal triumph of metal, the 777X. This is the largest, most capable twin-engine jet ever conceived, designed to fill the hole left by the retirement of its own namesake and the A380. At its heart is the GE9X, the largest engine ever certified. Its fan diameter is wider than the entire fuselage of a 737. This engine delivers power and a 10% efficiency gain over its predecessor. It is a masterpiece of brute force engineering, but the true innovation lies in its wings. To achieve such efficiency, the 777X needs a wingspan of 235 feet. That's too wide for every major airport gate. The solution? The folding wingtip. This complex mechanism is a triumph of design, but it's a constant source of regulatory anxiety. The irony is immense. Boeing built the largest plane possible, then had to build a complex, expensive mechanism just to make it fit on the ground. This compromise is the price of size. Across the ocean, Airbus offers a different kind of bet: composite superiority. The A350 is lighter, quieter, and fundamentally more efficient than the 777X. The A350's fuselage is made primarily of carbon fiber reinforced polymer. This isn't just lighter, it allows airlines to maintain a lower cabin pressure altitude, a feature that significantly reduces passenger jet lag. The bet here is on the passenger. Airlines are paying a premium for a jet that offers better humidity, quieter cabins, and a smoother ride. The A350 doesn't just get you there, it ensures you arrive feeling better. In the wide-body war, the 777X offers raw capacity, while the A350 offers raw cost savings. The question is, which bottom line matters more to the shareholders? If you were an airline CEO today with $100 billion to spend, which jet would you bet on? The powerful 777X or the smart A350? Tell us your choice in the comments below. Size or smart? Why the shift away from super jumbos? Because the risk is too high. You need nearly 500 passengers to make an A380 profitable. If you fly a 777X, you need 350. If you fly an A350, you need even less. Today, airlines want flexibility. They want to bypass the mega hubs and fly you directly from a secondary city in the US to a secondary city in Europe. This is the demand of the 21st century traveler. The huge Dubai airshow orders reflect this. Emirates needed capacity for their specific hub, so they doubled down on the 777X. But the rest of the world, like Qantas and Delta, is choosing the lighter, more versatile A350 to open new, thin routes. The biggest casualty in this war is the four-engine jet. Years ago, flying across the ocean on two engines was considered dangerous. Regulations required four engines for long overwater routes. Today, engine reliability is so perfected that twin-engine planes are certified for extended-range twin-engine operational performance standards, or ETOPS. They can fly for 5.5 hours on only one engine. That assurance killed the need for the four-engine design. The 777X and the A350 are the final evolution of the twin-engine concept. They are the ultimate heavyweights, battling for a market that demands efficiency, range, and passenger peace of mind. The debate is open. Which jet wins the long-haul war? The massive capacity of the Boeing 777X or the comfort and efficiency of the Airbus A350? Let us know which jet is better in the comments. If you want to understand the technology, the politics, and the future of flight, hit that like button and subscribe to Aviation Archives. Thanks for watching.